$470 is how much I made today day trading. And to be honest, I really thought that today would be the end of my winning streak and that would be a red day, but it ended up being a green day. Winning streak continued, let's go. Okay, my friend, this is SPX on the 5 minute, as you can tell. Over here, let me show you. Okay, here you go. So we open up and then flush down a little bit here, got a huge support coming in, then we can cross the 90 EMA, and then we cross the 90 EMA and a huge rejection happened here. When that happened, we hit that low of the day here. I decided to enter it. As I entered, I started to make some money, and then we reversed. And then we reversed even more. So I just didn't feel it. We had a huge gap much below. And I was like, you know what? They're probably not gonna do it, and they're gonna people, and I don't want to do and be trapped. I don't want to be taken as liquidity, basically, right? So I don't really part of it. So I decided to cut. This trade here cost me $410. Okay, so I was red starting with my first trade of the day. Okay, trade number 2 here. Okay, trade number 2. This is SPX on 15 minutes, as you can tell. We bounce, right? That's when I cut, and then we bounce higher, and then we rejected again. I decided to enter. I enter, I think 3 contract here. I started to cut 1 here, and I was like, that's it. We're gonna reject even lower now. It's gonna be stronger, and no. Once again, boom. I got taken as liquidity one more time. So I made money on 1 contract only, and the last 2 kept me in red. So second trade of the day, minus $280. Okay. So at this point, I'm down $690, okay? So I'm like, all right, let's take a break, you know, do some stuff around the house, whatever. And then I came back and I saw a little, so today was basically grinding higher top of day. Let me show you. This is my third trade here. We went higher all day long, okay? Slowly but surely with like some very like intense candles, but if not, it was just like grinding higher. And obviously we cannot continue all the way high. I mean, you know, we can, but eventually we're gonna have some resistance, right? And so we hit the resistance here, and that's why I took a short trade, like a very quick scalp. I think I had only 1 contract, and that was like a 20-second trade, right? This short trade here was $50. Let me show you. That was this one here, okay? I entered at 11:35. I cut it at 11:55. So exactly 20 seconds trade, okay? But when that happened, that was one of my resistance level on ES, right? The 5561, 62 areas, which translates into 54.88 here, because ES control just all over. So we have a big difference between SPX and ES right now. But then when that happened, we continued a bit higher. Let me show you the last one. Right, so that was that candle, but I just in and out. And then that happened, we went a little bit higher, and then it completely flushed. And when it flushed, I decided to enter with 10 contracts at this time, okay? I was like, this is going to be my last trade of the day, 10 contracts in and out. My contract went from, let me show you. My contract went from 450, that's the 10 of them, immediately to 560 and to 6 plus, actually 620 or so. And I tried to get filled at 620 or so, I couldn't get filled. The only for selling, the only thing I got filled at was 5 contracts at 560, 1 at 580, another one at 580, 1 at 590, another one at 560, and the last one I tried to leave a runner on 8 on my profit at $5. But that trade itself, the 10 contract here, brought me $1,110. So $1,110 plus 50, it's $1,160 minus 410 and 280 is a total of today $470. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.